तो हेलो गाइस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे मैक नंबर के बारे में। तो मैक नंबर जो होता है उसका फॉर्मूला। तो मैक नंबर क्या होता है? मैक नंबर एक डायमेंशन लेस नंबर होता है और ये एक पैरामीटर होता है। किस लिए होता है? सिंगल डायमेंशनल वेलोसिटी पैरामीटर होता है ये, taking into account two important parameters of compressible flow is that flow velocity and temperature is defined as ratio of local flow velocity capital V to the local sonic velocity small c is called Mach number. It is denoted by capital M, and its value is actually, in simple words we can say, m is equal to v upon c. Here v is velocity of flow. In simple words we call that above mentioned local flow velocity as simply flow velocity, or sometimes local flow velocity. And the below one small c denotes sonic velocity. Sonic velocity is actually velocity of sound, and there are three types of cases in which our m varies. When m is less than 1, then the flow is known as subsonic flow. It means here velocity of flow less than velocity of sound wave. When m is less than 1, it is called subsonic velocity, subsonic flow. And when m is greater than 1, it is called supersonic flow. In supersonic flow, velocity of flow is greater than velocity of sound. Then the flow is called supersonic flow. And when velocity of flow and velocity of sound equals, it means m is equal to 1, then the flow is known as sonic flow. And here are the cases of Mach cone. Mach cone is simply a cone, as we can see, in which different circles are made. Here, firstly, we will discuss what is Mach cone. Mach cone in Mach cone, it is conical zone. The conical zone, which is seen in diagram, this region is known as Mach cone. जो आपको ये कोन जैसा दिख रहा है वही है मैक कोन आपका। आगे देखते हैं। इन सुपरसोनिक फ्लो मीन्स m is greater than 1, then it is known as supersonic flow. In supersonic flow, 1 minute, in supersonic flow, if point source of disturbance is present, it creates conical space in which all the disturbance are piled up. The boundary of the cone is a shock where there is a sudden change in fluid properties like density and pressure. This conical zone is known as Mach cone. सिंपली आप ये डायग्राम बना देंगे और इतना भी लिख देंगे तो भी वो सफिशियंट है कि ये जो कोन है। और ये कब हमें मिलता है? जब सुपरसोनिक फ्लो होता है, जब हमारा m is greater than 1 होता है। देन वी हैव जोन ऑफ साइलेंस। Zone of silence when m is greater than 1. There is no effect of disturbance in the region outside the Mach cone. This region, which is outside the Mach cone, is called zone of silence. Means here m is greater than 1. Means our Mach number value is greater than 1. It is simply, we can see in diagram, it is outside zone. Zone of silence. Near B, we can see outside cone area. It is zone of silence. Now we have a zone of action. Zone of action when m is greater than 1. The effect of disturbance is felt only in the region inside the Mach cone. This region is called the zone of action. जब हमारा m जो है वो ग्रेटर देन 1 होता है, मतलब आपका इनसाइड रीजन, आपका ये जो मैक कोन है इसमें जो इनसाइड रीजन दिख रहा है हमारा, मैक कोन के अंदर जो सर्कल जहाँ बना है यहाँ पे लिखा भी हुआ है जोन ऑफ एक्शन, वही आपका जोन ऑफ एक्शन है. और आपका ये जोन ऑफ साइलेंस क्या है? इट इज़ एक्चुअली आउटसाइड रीजन. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.